So the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office is right here. Commander, Chief. No, I'm alright, sir. Who are you? Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Who are you?
I'm Commander Prescott.
Commander Prescott? Okay.
Jacksonville Sheriff Office.
My name is Shawn, Commander. How you doing?
I'm doing well.
Doing well.
This is a clear example of lawful filming being treated as suspicious behavior. Officers initiate contact not because of a crime, but simply because a camera is present. The interaction quickly shifts from casual questions to demands for ID, despite filming from a public roadway being perfectly legal. Suspicion alone does not create authority, and no specific crime is ever articulated. The auditor stays calm, asserts his rights, and refuses unlawful demands without escalating. This encounter highlights a common issue: public employees forgetting that citizens have the right to observe and document government activity in public spaces.
How you doing?
You need some help?
No, thanks.
What you doing out here?
What you doing out here?
Filming you.
Why you guys acting like you're doing something wrong?
What?
Why are you acting so suspicious?
I'm not. Every time we see somebody out here filming the fence line, we just like to come out and say, how you doing?
Yeah.
Why are you filming the fence line?
Yeah, just curious.
You're curious?
Yeah.
Do you have some ID?
I do, yeah. So it's right here in my pocket. I'll give it to you.
Yep.
All right. Let's see. Here's my eye. There's my D.
That's funny. That is awesome.
Officer Bailey?
Really, do we have a driver's license or
I do.
Some type of issued ID card?
I do, yeah.
Anytime I talk to somebody, I like to get
It's right
that.
here. It's right here.
I like to get that ID.
Let's see. I have it right there.
Can I see it?
No, not unless you have reasonable articulable suspicion that a crime is afoot.
This interaction falls apart the moment the camera appears. Officers claim curiosity, but quickly push for ID without a crime, without detention, and without legal authority. Calling someone suspicious doesn't create power. When ID is demanded, police must articulate a crime, and here they clearly can't. Instead, we see fishing, throwing out traffic claims and property excuses to regain control. The auditor knows the law and exposes it.
Well, you're acting suspicious outside the fence line, and granted, this is our property too.
Yeah.
Also, the water tower, the parking lot.
Yeah, everything on that side of the fence?
Okay. I kind of followed you down to the other place. You did a illegal pulling out. You're in the wrong lane as you went down the road.
I got it on dash cam.
That's awesome.
So
That's great.
you guys, I mean, you're acting really suspicious. You guys aren't doing anything wrong with the inmates, are you?
Why would you think that JSO is acting suspicious?
Because you guys are acting, you're hiding the inmates when I start filming them. You come out here, you start chasing me around and stuff.
Okay, you're filming female inmates.
That's right, yeah, it's perfectly lawful. Is there a crime?
All I'm asking is for your name.
I've told you my name. Well, I'll tell you my name is Jeff, but I'm not going to give you my.
Your full name.
No.
See your ID card.
No.
No.
No, sir.
Never
No.
happened. All right.
If I can see your driver's license first, that'd be great. Let me see. Where do you live? Can I get your home address?
Are you a sovereign citizen?
Are you a sovereign citizen?
Wow. We're just gonna play this whole back and forth.
Are we just going to play this whole back and forth game? Let me get your home address and I'll give you my driver's license. How
All
about
right,
that?
Jeff, I already got you.
All right.
We'll go ahead and run that, and I'll be back.
All right.
If you're still here.
All right.
Why you got a thin blue line sticker on your thing, Jeff?
I just like to fuck with you guys.
Why?
Yeah, just fucking with you.
Why would you?
Because you're fun to fuck with. That's what you guys do to other people. You fuck with people. So I just like to fuck with you.
Strange, Jeff.
Yeah.
It's really odd.
Yeah. It's fun though. It's fun.
Fun for you?
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun for you guys.
And where are you from?
You make a living. I'm from the 70s.
From the 70s?
Yeah.
I'm a child of the 70s also.
All right, cool.
Another day, another camera, another "what are you doing?" The tone shifts fast, curiosity becomes suspicion, and suspicion becomes demands. The officer wants ID simply because he wants it. That's not lawful. Watch the excuses change as the auditor calmly asks for the legal standard. No arguing, no arrest, just a reminder that cameras keep things honest.
All right, man. But hey, I will tell you, I don't mean any ill will or ill intent. I'm just filming.
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay, I'm not a bad guy. I'm not a sovereign citizen. I'm not anything like that. I'm just filming. I'm a civil rights investigator. I like to make sure that our civil right to document what public employees do on our behalf and our expense is respected and protected. That's all.
How you want to say all this stuff as I'm walking away?
Well, I'm just letting you know. Yeah, I just want you to know, man. I just want you to know. All right, so I'm parked on the public right-of-way right here. All the stuff he was talking about, like it's their property, the parking lot, the water tower, all that stuff he's talking about is behind this fence right here and behind this utility pole. All this stuff right here is public property. And actually, the reason I have this thin blue line on the back of the truck is because a good friend of mine, when he passed away, he left me this truck and he had the thin blue line on there. I just haven't taken it off. It's just there. But I just wanted to mess with him a little bit. Tell him I'm just fucking with him. But all of this because right over here on the other side of the road, there's female inmates that were out here working on the property. Looks like they're doing lawn maintenance. Just getting some video and some photographs of that. That kind of triggered a, I guess his name is Officer Bailey over there to come out and play detective. Anyway, I'm done. I'm on my way. Nothing's gonna happen. They're gonna find out it's me and they'll be done with it.
This is exactly why audits matter. A camera comes out, and suddenly filming is suspicious. No crime, no detention, just excuses, fence lines, traffic claims, anything to justify authority that doesn't exist. The auditor stays calm, knows the law, and without legal grounds, officers are left with nothing but backing off. If you support transparency and accountability, subscribe to Copscope and stay informed.